Oh, hello there, and welcome to my kitchen. It's early morning, and right before going to work, I like to have a breakfast that is filling, but same time it's light. And that's why today I'll be making Belgian waffles. These waffles are fat-free, low in carb, they taste delicious, and they're fluffy, lightweight, and crispy from the outside. So, to make this recipe, you will need eggs separated, flour, milk, salt, cinnamon powder, baking powder, granulated sugar, vanilla essence. So first we'll break all the egg yolks, and to this we're going to add vanilla and then we're going to add sugar. Mix it a little. Now to this we'll add milk. Get all that milk in. Make sure everything mixes good. Now this is mixed. We'll keep this aside and bring in our sifter. To this we are going to add flour, and to the flour we are going to add cinnamon, salt and baking powder. Now we'll sift it all together. Now this is sift. We'll put it aside and bring in the egg mixture. And to the egg mixture we are going to add our flour mixture now. You can just dump it in, but just be careful. Don't want to get that flour everywhere. I do that all the time. And stir it. Make it into a smooth paste, or smooth batter I will say. The difference between the Belgian waffle or any other waffle that we eat is that Belgian waffle is very light, very airy and very crisp from the outside, whereas the waffle that we eat it in Waffle House or from the waffle mix that we get it in Walmart to make the waffles is that those are very dense and one is enough for one person, whereas with the Belgian waffle you can just keep going on. You should not, but you can. In an authentic Belgian waffle recipe, they uses yeast to make it fluffy and airy, or you can say light. But the problem with that is you can't use it right away. You have to rest that batter for a while and then you can make actual waffles. But with this recipe, once we are done making the batter, you can go ahead and use it and eat it, and you don't have to wait. Mix it until all the lumps are gone, and then we'll keep this aside and bring in our egg whites. Now we are going to whisk them. Our egg white is ready now. We can stop right here. You never want to over whisk it because it can collapse and you don't want that. Now our egg whites are ready, so we'll bring in our egg yolk mixture. Now to this we'll add little bit. Don't add a lot first. Mix it a little. Use the cut and fold method for this. Add little by little and do cut and fold. Cut and fold is like you go like this and then you cut it. Go like this and you cut it. Do not stir it like that. You will break all those air bubbles and you don't want that. Now we'll add the rest. Now our batter is ready to go into the waffle maker. So let's do that. Here is my waffle maker. I'm going to add some of the batter here. You don't want to overflow. Now how long the waffles will take time to cook depends on the machine you have. My machine takes 5 to 6 minutes, but yours may take shorter time or longer time. So check with your machine and use that guidelines. Let's check if our waffle is ready. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Let's take them out. Now be careful, they're gonna be hot, okay? Now you know how to make fatless, low in carb waffles. These are super crispy and delicious. And it is low carb because it has very little quantity of flour compared to the egg or compared to the other recipes. This waffle recipe is really healthy choice, but it can become unhealthy really easy, like the toppings that you choose. If you are on a diet or if you are health conscious, be careful with your toppings. And if you really don't care about all that, let's just go crazy with it. So for this waffle, I'm serving with the strawberry, kiwi and banana, and then I'm gonna drizzle some Nutella over it. I like Nutella on my waffles. And some powdered sugar now. Yay, look at that. There you have your Belgian waffle with Nutella and fruits. Now let's make the second one, which is very popular in America. The second one, we are going to serve it with the chicken. Yes, fried chicken, very popular in America. We love fried chicken and waffle here. And now we're just gonna pour some good syrup. This is organic pure maple syrup. Yep. Just yay. There you go. Here you have light and crispy Belgian waffles. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. If there is a recipe you want to see, make sure you leave it in the comment. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.